Everybody, it's Lex from pdq.com. I'm going to take you through custom fields and inventory. Now, custom field is a place for you to put data at a computer level that you couldn't collect from a scan. So let me show you how to do that. If you go up to Options, Custom Fields, surprise how we labeled that one. Let's build a new custom field. First of all, let's do a text field, and we'll just name this one HM User. That stands for High Maintenance User. Just because I like to know who my high maintenance users are. Wink, wink. The other one, let's do a date field. Let's do a warranty expires. I gotta check my spelling. Oh, that's a first. Did it the first time. Anyway, so now at the computer level, I can store whether someone is a high maintenance user or the user in general, or whether the warranty expires date. Now, the other thing that's really nice is we've got this great import wizard feature here. I'm going to take you through that. I'm going to do an import. I'm going to grab the CSV file. Now, luckily, I've got all my warranty dates in a CSV file or Excel. But make sure it's in CSV because we can import those. Okay. Now, all these fields are linked off the computer name. So obviously, you see I've got computer name, and then I'm not going to skip the warranty date. I'm going to put it in the warranty expires field because it doesn't need to go in the date field. There you go. You can see what's going to be imported. I give that a next. I give that a finished. And now I've got warranty information that's associated with those machines. So let's go see where that information is kept. So if you open up a computer, let's go look at Allen Rails. And if you look down under custom fields, there you go. This the warranty on Allen Rails expires on July 21st of 2020. Now, I also know that Jake happens to be my high maintenance end user, so I'm going to put his name in there. So how can I use that data? I'm going to either build a report or a dynamic collection. So let's go and build a new dynamic collection. And all your custom fields are stored in the computer table. So I'm going to look for warranty expires, and let's look for anything that expires before, let's say 7/20 of 2020. Okay, so this is for a new budget. Yeah, we'll say expired warranty collection. We'll just put 7/20. Okay, give that an OK, and now we should see all the machines that have expiration dates before 7/20 of 2020. And again, we'll just check that right now. Pop into any one of these. Warranty expires January 21st. So now I've got a way I can help, budget, pull up machines that warranties are expiring, so you can decide if you want to budget for new ones that way. And again, here's the thing. Any data you want to store that you can't collect from a scan, put it in a custom field, okay? If you've already got it in another form, get it in a CSV file and import it, okay? Thanks for watching. I'm Lex from pdq.com.